Picture also kind of tells the story of things. Not too much in the immediate pipeline. So yeah, we'll be waking up to more gray skies than anything else. 47 degrees out there right now. We're down to 31 in Poughkeepsie, Monticello, and Sussex. So definitely a chilly start for the Hudson Valley. 40 at Bridgeport, 46 in Islip. So today is going to be another day running 10, 15 degrees above average. Right about 58 degrees with some sun by the time we get to the afternoon. And then the evening and overnight hours, clouds do come back and there's a chance for some showers, and even by tomorrow morning a few areas could pick up some snowflakes. So I'll break that down coming up in just a little bit, but want to get you out the door too, Adele, because it is a holiday. There's a holiday schedule, all kinds of changes.
Yes, definitely changes on our rails, one of them being
spots from Livingston and Patterson in the 30s. We have 45 in Brighton Beach, Hempstead at 46, but you can see by 4 p.m. back in the mid and upper 50s with some sunshine, timing out some rain, even some snowflakes for tomorrow morning and into Wednesday and Thursday. Could be an icy mess. All the details in the 10-day. Over the next couple days to kind of break it down for you. Today's one of those mild days. I've got a messy day heading into Wednesday and Thursday, and while we've escaped the chill for most of this week, as temperatures going to be above average most of this week, we get a pretty big dip this weekend, and then we'll be watching a chance for some snow as we wrap up February, kind of right on cue. Maybe March coming in a bit like a line. So we'll show you that in a second. Out there right now, it's generally mostly cloudy. 47 at Central Park. We're down to 46 in Islip. Still below freezing from Sussex, Poughkeepsie, and Monticello, and that colder air is going to stay entrenched there, and that is important when we see some of that precip move in tonight. I'll show you that in a second. 58 though today with some sunshine and a light west wind, about 5 to 10. 42 degrees overnight. Overall, mostly cloudy skies. We'll have some showers come on through, but where we have that chillier air entrenched, there may be a period of some snowfall. So you can see that happening late tonight. Won't amount to much. It's not going to be a lot of coverage, but again, timing-wise, when you're talking about a morning commute, getting everybody out the door, maybe just enough to keep things a little bit slick. And then another push coming in for the afternoon. Here too, north and west, where some of that colder air is locked in, maybe a bit of snowfall with some showers moving through. We get a break here Tuesday night and into Wednesday, and then we'll be watching Wednesday evening for just about everything but the kitchen sink. And one reason why is our temperatures are cooling by Wednesday down to 46 degrees north and west, marginally cold enough for some sleet and maybe some freezing rain. And then by Thursday, we're right back up into the 50s with some more rainfall. There's our big dip on Saturday, but we're kind of all over the board as far as the temperatures into next week. Of course, we're still at this point tied for first place for warmest winter to date. We're going to early tomorrow morning, nothing terribly heavy, but out there if you're going to be out later. Otherwise, it's another mild day. 55 degrees by noontime, 56 by 5 p.m. and some sun trying to break through, but those clouds are back. And again, if you're going to be out late, you'll need the windshield wipers at times and maybe the umbrella too by tomorrow morning. All right, let's see what else you need this morning. Probably maybe a little speeding up of the morning routine to get out the door to beat this.
Yes, you're going to need some extra time and some patience if you're weather.
And it's a little gray out there, definitely murky as we look into Midtown and the Empire State Building. And if you're about ready to head out, Sweet Lucy is ready to enjoy the mild temperatures and the dry weather for now. We've got 55 degrees by noontime, but I'm talking about an icy mix as early as a Wednesday evening. We'll break it down for you coming up in the 10-day.
Thanks.
So I want to start with Brooklyn, and congratulations on retirement. Yes, 43 degrees right now. You can see from Queens, Staten Island, the Bronx, we're all gray. We have those clouds. We're in the 40s, and we are eventually going to see some of that overcast break up, at least a little bit, and stay above average. Once again, climbing into the 50s. In fact, by lunchtime, pushing the low to mid 50s with some of that sun, aiming for a high of 58 today. And then by later on this evening, the clouds are back. If you're going to be out after dinner time, you may want to just grab the umbrella or know that you may have to use the windshield wipers as some showers are going to be pressing on through. But for the most part, it's rain showers as city temperatures will be in the 40s, where maybe some snow mixed in there north and west, where the colder air is really going to kind of stay entrenched today. And you can see by late tonight and tomorrow morning, some of those snow showers, and timing wise being maybe early morning commute, just enough around to keep things a little bit slick, not enough to cancel plans or create a huge mess, but just be aware of that first thing out the door. And then another little reprieve for the afternoon before a second push with the boundary coming on by for the afternoon gives us another chance for some rain showers to the north and west, maybe some snow showers. And then another quick little break, and then we got to talk about Wednesday evening. But yes, temperature wise for tomorrow, still above average, a little bit cooler though, 51 for the high in the city. We do stay in the low 40s to the north and the west. So what's going on going on the next couple days? Well, just looking at the temperature trend, you can see we're going to be going through some things by Wednesday into the 40s, back into the 50s on Thursday, way down into the 30s on Saturday, and then back into the 50s on Sunday. Each time you get a little bump, it's another wave coming through, and so by Wednesday, we're talking about maybe some sleet and freezing rain, but still above average, and which means our #1 spot for now to season to date, the warmest winter on record. We only have a couple more